Let's learn English with ChatGPT. Hello friends, my name is Rupam and I welcome you all to Hello English. Today's video is going to be very special because we will discuss about ChatGPT and how it can help us to improve our English speaking skill. If you're looking out for something new, some new ways by which you can enhance your English skill, ChatGPT is number one. First, let's understand what is ChatGPT. GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer. In simple words, ChatGPT is the newest digital friend who is here to change our lives, who is here to teach us English in many different ways. You can ask any question to ChatGPT. Any question. You ask him about today's weather. You ask him to do your homework. You ask him to write an email. You ask him to write an essay. You ask him how you can improve your English skill. It will give you list. It can do anything and it can do everything for you. But remember, this is the initial stage. This is the beginning of ChatGPT. So we have to be a little careful. It's very impressive and it is very magical. I can say that. And yes, it is like a tutor. The best thing about this is it is free of cost. So this video is going to be very informative. You will learn a lot of things, how to use this ChatGPT to improve your English. Watch till the end. Today we will learn 10 different things, 10 ways how we can improve our English skill with ChatGPT. First, let's understand how it works. First, let's understand how to log into this. First, log in to Google. Once you log into Google, you can type chatopenai.com. Okay? Go to chatopenai.com. Click on the link OpenAI. Now it will ask to log in or sign up. If you are new, then you have to sign in. So let's sign into this. It will ask for email address. I will type my email address, rosenroop@gmail.com. You can log in, continue. You need to enter a password. I will just type verify your email. You have to verify your email first. Okay, you have to enter your full name, your date of birth, okay, your phone number you have to select. A code has been sent to you. Next, what we have to do, you can start chatting now. New chat. Here you have to put your message. This is the basic interface. When you open the ChatGPT, this is your first page, the interface. Now you can have a conversation. So the first thing which we can do in GPT is that we can start a conversation. You can give a prompt. Create a conversation between two friends. Here it goes. Just see. It's very fast. It's very swift. It's given here. See, it's coming. Stop. That's okay. You can put here, stop generating. Yes, it's done. Now what you can do? You can read from the beginning. Okay, this will help you to develop your speaking skill. Okay, so friend one, hey, it's been a while since we caught up. How have you been? Friend number two, I know, right? I have been good, thanks. So in this way, you can read loudly and clearly. Now you can ask ChatGPT how to improve our English speaking skill. Let's do it. How to improve English speaking skill. It's coming, see. It is given here. It's writing. A lot of things will come up. And it is given here, see, stop generating. If you feel you want to stop, you can just click here. Okay, So it is done. Improving English speaking skill can be a gradual process, but with consistent practice and the right approach. So you can read it out. See, it's so wonderfully it has been given, point by point. You can read this and you can understand and try to apply this in your life. Now, suppose if you want to get some vocabulary, okay, for some haircut or anything, I will just put this. English vocabulary for getting a haircut. Let's see what it comes. Started. See, instantly it's coming. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, it's given here. Here's the loan. A person where you go to get your haircut or styled. Number 2, hairstylist or hairdresser. The person who cuts, styles and takes care of your hair. See, so nice. A lot of things you can learn. You can improve your vocabulary with this. It also helps for grammar correction. If you have confusion in any sentences, you can type it here and it will make the correction. Okay, so please correct my sentence. I am with love with you. So what it will bring? See, it has mentioned that I am in love with you. I am with love with you, I wrote, which is not correct. I am in love with you. So if you have any confusion in any sentences, you can put it here. It will give you an instant result. Also, if you want to learn some new words in English, suppose you want to impress your friends, you want to impress your boss, so you want to learn some new words, give a prompt like, I want to learn 7 new English words to improve my English. Let's see what comes out. It's coming 4, 5, 6 and number 7. Got it. Wow, it's impressive. I like it. So it is given, great, here are 7 new English words for you to learn. Wow, the first one, serendipity. I have not heard about that. Seriously. So many. 7, we asked for 7, it has given us 7. So at the end also it has told us, remember to practice using these words in sentences to reinforce your understanding and improve your English skill. Got it, my dear friend? Next. Also, if you want to know which app is helpful to learn English, you can just give a prompt. Which app will help to learn English? Just search. Let's see. See, it's coming. Sorry, my dear friend, it's raining outside very heavily. There are several excellent apps available that can help you learn English. Here are a few popular ones. So these are the few apps which you can use. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 it has given. Okay, let's move on to the next one. One exciting thing, if you are a movie fan, if you love watching movies, you can also give a prompt that you want to watch some good movies. Okay, let me give some horror movies. Let's see. Okay, I want to watch 3 new horror movies in English. Okay, let's see what comes. It's coming. Great. So it is given. Number 1, Hereditary. Number 2, A Quiet Place. Number 3, Get Out. These are the 3 horror movies. If you want to check, you can check and you can watch these movies and let me know how are these movies. Wonderful. Not only English. If you are searching for any good movies, you can give a prompt, it will answer to you. Now, if you want to know, I am learning English. What are the benefits of learning English? Let's give a prompt. Benefits of learning English. Well, there are ample benefits. It will keep writing, I know. Let's stop here. We got it. Okay, now. So, see, the English language offers numerous benefits, both in personal and professional levels. Okay, here are some key advantages of learning and using English. So, these are the points given. Global communication, business and career opportunities. Okay, against that, it has written so many things in a so much beautiful way. Very good, very nice. Let's move on to the next one. I'll tell you one more thing, my dear friend. One exciting thing is that if you want to translate from your mother tongue to English, or from any language to English, from English to any other language, it will give you an amazing result. Let's try. Okay, in Hindi, let's try to translate from Hindi to English. Okay, translate to English. Mera naam Rupam hai. How it will say, let's see. Wow, in 1 second it has come. My name is Rupam. Let's try one more thing. मुझे आम खाना पसंद है. Translate to English. Let's see what it gives. I like to eat mangoes. Amazing, guys. It's very lovely. It's a lovely thing. Next, if you want to get some words which we use on a daily basis, so you can give a prompt list of words which are used for day-to-day usage. Let's see, it'll come now. Wow, it's coming, my dear friends, it's coming. Yes, so these are the common words. Okay, so what you can do, you can list down these words in a paper or in your diary and try to go through this, because these are the words which we commonly use on regular basis. For daily conversation, we use these words. Finally, number 10, we come to job interviews. It can answer anything for you, my dear friend. Let's question him. Basic questions for job interviews. What it will reply. So, it's here. It has come here. So, tell me something about yourself. This is the first question. Okay, then what is mentioned? Why are you interested in this position, company? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Wow, this is so common, so important questions. So, my dear friend, whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you feel like getting from internet, just use ChatGPT. But remember, as I told you, it's in the initial stage. There might be some errors here and there. So don't take it for granted. Okay? Just use it wherever you need the most. Other than that, you can always refer to your books, to your notes, and this is the best thing you can use. So I wish you all the very best. फिर मिलेंगे.